naming words. Hello children, welcome to this lesson. Words that tell us the names of people, animals, places or things are called naming words. In this lesson, we will learn about naming words. Let's play a little game first. I will show you some pictures and you must name the things, people, places and animals in the pictures. Are you ready? Do you know what this is? This is a book. Now tell me who this person is. That's right, a teacher. Can you tell me what this is? This is a playground. Let us look at one last picture together and try to name it. What is the name of this animal? This is a dog. Children, in the game that we just played, book, teacher, playground and dog are naming words or nouns. Let us go to the zoo and learn the names of some more animals. What is the name of this animal? Monkey. And what about this animal? Do you know what it is called? Tiger. Let us look at one last animal before we leave the zoo. What is the name of this animal? Elephant. Well done. Now, let us look at the pictures of some people and think about what they do. Can you tell me who is this? This is a nurse. What does a nurse do? A nurse takes care of sick people. What about this person? Who is this? This is a tailor. A tailor makes clothes for us. Now look at this person. Who is this? This is a singer. A singer sings songs. And what about this person? Who is this? This is a dentist. A dentist is like a doctor, but he only takes care of our teeth. The names we use to talk about any person, animal, place or thing in general are called common names. Monkey, tiger, singer and dentist are common names. Common names always begin with a small letter. Special names are the specific names of a particular person, animal, place or thing. Special names always begin with a capital letter. What is your name? My name is Apurva. Children, your name is a special name and whenever you write it, you should start with a capital letter. Can you tell me the special names in this sentence? My aunt lives in New Delhi. In this sentence, New Delhi is the special name of a city. That is all for this lesson. I hope you know what naming words are. Look at objects all around you and try to find out their names. I will see you again with more practice questions.